this is a Tesla Model 3, and to start the car, all you have to do is hit the brake.
Show you off the Lambos out on Collins. I be
Hello YouTube and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm in a Tesla plant in China and I'll be showing you around of what has become the most famous electric car in China. So we'll get to explore and find out why the Tesla has become a very famous brand in China and why is it thriving despite other car manufacturing companies not being able to make it. So in this video, I'll explain just that. Firstly, I'll start with the inside to show you how it works. I'll show you the quirks and features of this car and what works and what doesn't work. Alright guys, now I'm getting into the Tesla car, into the Model 3 to just show you how interesting it really is. And if you guys want to see me driving this car, you should be subscribed and watching more of my videos so that I can start driving these cars, okay? Alright guys, so like the seat is just comfortable. Like I've literally just got in the Model 3 and it's very comfy. It's really giving me that good vibe. Like I feel like you can fall asleep or driving and you're seated on this seat. So it's a very comfortable chair. Like trust me when I tell you that it is really comfortable. Alright guys, so I'll show you some of the buttons of how to tap keycard and press brake to drive. So that's how you start these Tesla cars. You have to place your keycard at this spot, which is being shown on the screen. You place it at this spot as it has sensors, then you just hit the brake and your car starts like that. So the one interesting thing that I've noticed with these Tesla cars is how automated they are. Like you literally have no buttons, you literally have no shifts, you have no gears to shift anything, and that is really something that is very interesting, in that the other cars that I've been in have gears, they have shifts, they have this and that, but this one is one that is really automated. I was talking to one of the Tesla dealership guys and he was telling me that the whole essence of this car was to say, if the car can do it for you, why not? Like the only thing you have to do is get in, drive, get where you're going, then that's it with your car. Alright then, so there we are. Okay, so like these are some of the quirks and features that this car has. So these are the quick controls, the exterior lights. If you want to turn them on, if you want to have them turned off, you work everything from here. And this is one thing that I really like about this car. Alright guys, so in this part I'll just explain the quick controls that this car has. So once you get in, everything is touch screen, everything is automated, and the touch screen is really good in that the minute you press on it, it quickly picks anything up. And this is really good for a car that is electric, in that everything is practically running on electric energy. And the good thing about this car is, say you are using it on a daily basis, you would only ever need to recharge it at least once a week, in that after each successful and complete recharge, it runs for 400 kilometers until it needs to be recharged again. So what we have here is, we have the steering wheel. So how the steering wheel works is like this. Once you press on the touch screen, you have these buttons on your steering wheel. So you come to your left, then what this does is it either takes the steering wheel to your front, it takes it to the left, or it brings it upwards. So there we go, it's being brought upwards. I don't know if you guys can notice that, but it's being brought upwards. Then that way it's being, it's going back, it's going back, it's going back. And you can take it up, you can take it off or bring it down. So that's a very interesting feature that you have there. And after you're done, you can either save it or you can restore to what the settings initially were. So there we go. Then we have the lights, which honestly is self-explanatory. You just come to the lights, you see everything, and that's that. can come to your driving mode. Then the driving mode actually has two modes. You have the chill and the standard mode. The chill mode is the one where you actually just drive for the fun of it, and the standard mode is the one where you're very comfortable. You're in your drive mode, and that's the standard mode for us. So if you want to use the sport mode, which the Tesla Model 3 is also known for, you have to come to standard mode and your sport mode. With these two, have them saved, then everything is going to be okay. So that's nothing that you have to actually be worried about. You also have the glove box, which if you want to open your glove box compartment, you just hit the button, then there we are, it's open. You can close it at the end. Okay. So that's alright, guys. So I actually like this car in that it's very comfortable for me, and with the very fact that you do not need to constantly have your settings reset every time you walk out is something that is really good, because you can have your name saved and you can have all the settings that you feel are good for you, tailored for you, just in your system, such that every time you get in, you just go to your interface, which will work everything that you have, and that is really a good thing. So the Tesla is really good, and I would honestly give it a recommendation, because with the comfort that it's just giving me right now, it's something that is really to die for. There's so many features here that I would want to show you, but I'm sure by now you actually get the point. You can change the language to practically any language that you want to change it to, and that's really a good thing. So the music that you have, the music that you can watch, is music that's actually tailored for you. You can have your car, you can have your phone connected to your car. So to actually open, you just go, there we go.